Alright guys, got this Appalachian dump trailer. It's a 5 lug, so it's only good for 10K. Getting 4 yards of limestone. I got a heavy rainstorm coming in and it's starting to sprinkle. Hopefully I can get loaded and get out of here. Got my pintle adapter going on today. More zoomed out view here. 2 more. I was trying to get me some asphalt grinding / millings, but nobody's called me back about that, so just getting this for right now. I still need like another 4 yards worth. All right. Oh man. And to think I got my hand tools, got my shovel and my rake. Alright, let's get this to where it's going. Ram basically didn't squat. Those timberings are doing their job. Catch you guys when we go to dump it. We got the ugly stormy weather. It's rolling in. Probably gonna get caught in it here. Gonna have to wait till it's done. But saw there, I got the ram loaded up. Didn't particularly like where he placed all this gravel load, but I guess it is what it is. And they got my turn blocked off. All right, I see what they're doing here. Usually I go off, I yield to the right there. So I'm gonna make this turn then. Cross traffic doesn't stop. Well, there ain't no cross traffic. I ain't stopping. Yeah, if we would have loaded it a little bit further forward, I like having a little bit of tongue weight, but oh well. Yeah, about 5-10 minutes from where I'm going with all this. Ram's pulling fine. Just gotta put your foot in it, get on the throttle, get this load moving. You know, you can't pussyfoot it when you got this much weight. It is what it is. So, alright, but yeah, doing good. You know, it's miles per gallon, not miles per gallon. But I'll catch you guys. We're back at it here. We're getting 4 scoops of 57 this time. Wasn't able to video the offload. And yes, I'm aware this is supposed to be 8,500 max. 4 scoops of 57 is going to be a bit over that. Yeah, I think on average a scoop of 57 is like 2,800 pounds, and I'm getting 4 of those, so you do the math. It'll be a little heavy. We'll take our time. It dumped the last 4 yards. Easy peasy. It didn't even care. Pretty good operator. Here's what that looks like. Perfect, perfect. Let's see if we can't get you a shot of the timber ends. Can't really see them there. You can see them over here. There's less crap. Yep, doing their job. Alright. Got to my property here. This is where my other trailers usually sit. Can't really see well because the sun glare is crap. But, yeah, it's hard to see, but it's squishy. I'm going to throw in 4 low. See if I can't get it to go back a little bit further. And then dump it. I mean, there's, 10K sitting here at least, so about 2,500 a scoop, 4 scoops plus the trailer, so it's heavy. Alright, 4 low for the win, like I said. Can't really see nothing. The light's crap. Good 6 or 8 inch rut right there now. Anyway, see if it's a single dump. Alright guys, here we go. I'm anything but a professional. I got a rope going to the back here to pull the lever. Hopefully pull the lever so that way I can gate the gravel. But we'll see how well that goes. I may or may not even be able to pull it after the weight's on it, so that might be a bust here. Always look up, make sure you don't have any wires, because I have a wire up here. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what kind of craziness happens. able to pull it. Should. Oh, when it's heavy like this, don't get anywhere in here because when you hit down, it comes down really fast. There ain't nothing you can do to stop it, really. Alright. See how much of a mess this goes. Not too shabby, other than I drove over my rope. So that kind of buggered that up a little bit. But not too shabby. Got about a quarter of a yard still to kind of deal with there. Just got to finish driving over the rope here. And then we'll have to do the hard work. Shovel. Cleared the wire. Got the truck in 4-low because, see if we can't show you. There is a very deep rut sitting right there, at least 6 to 8 inches. So, yep, now the hard work begins. I'm going to do what I can with it. Got to get my hose. I'm going to rinse all this off. I'm going to rinse the trailer off. This tire is losing air. I'm going to rinse it off. I think there's a, you can hear it kind of down here. I think there's a nail in it somewhere. Don't know when that happened, but bring it down. It's power down, thankfully, so you can stop it at any point. Actually, I take that back. I think it's gravity down because I only got one line. I only got the line in here and the line there. Usually if it's powered down, there should be a line coming out up there, right? I don't know a whole lot about hydraulics, so. Anyways, like I said, don't get anywhere in the area where it comes down. Pay attention. Because you will lose a finger. Or something. Alright, won't bore you guys with the rest. That was my attempt at gating gravel. More or less my first time doing it, for the most part. I used 6 links on each side. Gave me about an inch, but I think it was about 2 inches more or less it gave me. Looks like their wiring is kind of wonky there. They're kind of flickering. Rental trailers, right? Probably that. I'll probably end up, I needed some of that at the end of my driveway all the way up there. I might just take it by the bucket up there because I need most of that up front. I was going to put it in my rut that I have, but I don't know. I'll figure it out. It'll take probably a day or so to figure out. Was kind of pricey to do all this, honestly. I mean, the rental, I talked the guy down. I was like, you know, typical day rental's $150 at Sunbelt, plus, you know, all the other taxes, fees, security deposit, you know, it goes up from there. And then went to my local store to get this. I called around. I wanted the asphalt grindings, but I got no response from absolutely anybody. Checked around like 4 different places. I was willing to drive like up to a half hour, an hour away to go get it. Because 12 bucks a ton, it's a lot cheaper than the stuff was like basically 50 bucks a yard, more or less. So, alright, I'm gonna get to it. Thanks for tuning in. Alright guys, morning. We got all that finished up yesterday. We got that. Got the 4 yards dumped at my mom's. I got 4 yards dumped at my house. I probably need another 4 yards still at my mom's house, and I probably need another 8 yards at mine. I thought it was going to go a lot further than it did. But I got another job to go to this morning, and unfortunately that conflicts with my schedule for this dump trailer rental, so I gotta go drop it off here first thing this morning, get back, get my other trailer, then get south to get another job done. Got another helper. It's gonna help me out today. It's a couple heavy pieces that an extra set of hands would be nice to have, so I'm gonna pay him a couple bucks to help me out for the day. Got to move basically a hot tub and like a workout machine or something, but yeah, this dump trailer did well. This Appalachian, it's got the twin cylinder lift instead of the scissor. Can't complain, it worked, did its job. Would have preferred a heavier duty like 8-lug style trailer instead of a 5-lug 10K style trailer like this one. So if I ever bought one, it's definitely going to be probably a 14 or 16K GVWR style trailer. This one's only a 10. But it worked. Price for rental was great. Overall, I mean, if you think about it, I probably paid for a day rental as much as I pay for one monthly payment. So, I mean, that's kind of the trade-off when you're renting these things. It's like, I thought about it, I was like, you know, maybe I should just buy one. Okay, well now you just about to make a 12K plus investment, depending on what trailer you buy and what options you get. You can get them cheaper on Facebook Marketplace and such, but yep, so that's the plan right now. We're gonna close the video out here and drop this off and work on the next job and task at hand. See you guys then.